Okay, it's October 2020. This is an ESH troubleshooting video. As some of you may know, I've been working on cloning ESH's Aurunmilla. This is the second PCB that I've tested. The first one I made over there seems to work fine. This one has got two problems, which I'm trying to diagnose. I'll show you the first problem. First problem is when you go to start a game, this is not blinking, the word middle, and it's supposed to be. And this is turning out to be really hard to troubleshoot. So I'm hoping I'll be able to figure it out, but I'm actually not sure if I will. Okay, I've had a breakthrough, which I'm actually kind of relieved about. So on the board that's working, this line, oh, I wish it would focus. H1Q1 it's called. That one is when the text is flashing, it's going up and down, as you can see here, which is causing this to change occasionally, which is what creates the flash. But on the bad board, H1Q1 is just stuck low. So that's definitely the problem. I'm just not sure what's causing it. Is it the H1 chip itself that's bad, or is it the input to H1 that's bad? So that's the next thing to find out. Alright, I'm making progress here. So here is the output of H1, and I tested that and it looks good. But then the input of H2 is dead, and it appears that these two pins are not connected, so there may be a soldering problem. Which is kind of what I was expecting, because if it wasn't a soldering problem, then it's either a bad chip, which the chips are brand new, or it's a bad PCB, which, I mean, that could happen too, but I was thinking soldering problem was most likely. So I'm going to check to see why it's not connected and then report back. Alright, I think I see what's wrong. So this pin, I don't know if you can tell, but it is noticeably different than its neighbors. It doesn't have a pin coming out the bottom, so the socket probably is bad. And the person that soldered this on, not sure what they were thinking, but this is probably the problem. So I'm going to desolder this and see what I can see. Well, there's the problem. Pin was bent. Ah, man, this was like really hard to find this, because I don't really understand how the game works. But I guess the good news is now I know a lot more about how the game works. And if this problem happens again, it'll be easier to find next time. Alright. Let's see if the problem is fixed. I think it is. Makes sense. Okay, insert coin. And there it goes. Well, at least it's blinking. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video.